Good morning, friends. As many of you would already have received the invite, I wanted to announce the program that I'll be conducting shortly next month, April, over a weekend from 5th to 7th, which is from a Friday to Sunday, on a topic that you just cannot avoid learning according to me as an individual. Whatever you are doing, whatever be your age or your position or your profession. This is actually conscious leadership, and the theme is called Lead Yourself Consciously. Unlike many other leadership programs that you might have attended so far, this has very little to do with learning tools and techniques to deal with people outside or to perform your role or in your position as a leader in an organization more effectively. Those are important. But this, according to me, is like a foundation course that we all should go through even before we aim at learning those tools and techniques. This is more about taking a deep dive within and learning about ourselves, learning to manage ourselves and lead ourselves and become a conscious leader of ourselves first. Believe me, there is a larger world within than there is outside. And the larger is the portion of that world that you know within you will be able to explore and meet outside. Because the outside world is nothing but what we project inside out. So, I invite all of you to please come and attend these 3 days workshops. Already, although these are called 3-day workshop, I just want to clarify that to help you get your time to do what else you're doing, I have planned it in such a way that we will start on Friday afternoon at 2 o'clock and then end on Sunday afternoon at 2, so that you get half day to work just before you leave the office for the weekend, and you get half day to prepare yourself to get back to the office for the next week. And just to make it effective and so that we have all the time and the focus to deal with what we need to deal with and get all the time that we want, I have made it into a residential program. So I'm inviting you to come to a beautiful place. Believe me, you will love the place. This is called Fireflies. It is, off Kanakpura Road in Bangalore. And this is basically a place which is so nature friendly that you would simply fall in love with it anyway. There is so much that we can learn from the nature, but if not learning, at least it's a great way to relax, isn't it? Just take some time off, come over and join me between April 5th to 7th. However, this program is going to be highly interactive, kind of workshop, where I'm inviting basically for this program individuals who have been in leadership positions, in senior positions in the corporate world for 15 years or more, so that we can engage in a discussion and have our own insights and takeaways from this program. And to make it really, really effective, what I'm proposing, friends, is not just these 3 days of this interactive workshop, but at the end of it, to have an action plan for ourselves based on the insights that we would have had in those 3 days, on which then I would help you with the coaching program that I'm suggesting following the workshop for 3 months on a weekly basis. So every week there will be a coaching call that I will facilitate myself for 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour each, one-on-one call with each one of you. And since this is such an intense, format, and because it has to be interactive and everybody has to get a chance to discuss, think, deliberate. We cannot have more than 20 maximum in a batch. So don't waste any time. Please immediately get back to me. Register yourself right now for the program. You can write to me at archana@consciouslivingcenter.in for more details, or just call me on 96860 Ideally, I would suggest, instead of just calling me, I may or may not be available at those times, just WhatsApp me. I'm on the same number available on WhatsApp. I'll repeat the number for you, 96860 and I will definitely revert back to you with all the details, and if you need to chat, we can do that too. I'm really looking forward to having all of you join me in this program, and we can, by the way, this time I'm planning to do it in Bangalore. If those of you who are outside of Bangalore, I still would request, in this summer heat, which other better place to be in, than Bangalore, in the midst of nature. So come down anyways. But for any reason, if you feel that you would like to organize some program on these lines in the city where you are for that particular region, also you can contact me and we can surely plan that, whether it is in India or abroad. So friends, with this, I leave you alone to have a wonderful Friday and an even more wonderful weekend ahead. But don't forget to register yourself right now for Lead Yourself program. Thank you. Bye-bye.